Hello students, today we are going to start lesson number 2 in our fair book. So open index page, in serial number write 2 in today's date, then in title write lesson number 2 numeration. Now open new page, write here today's date, give adding lesson number 2 numeration, exercise 2.1. Question number 1, write the numeral for the number name. So here number name is given, so we have to write in a numeral form. So first is 12,521. So this we have to write in a numeral form. So in ones place which digit is there? 1. So we will write in ones place 1. In tens place 20. So we will write 2 in tens place. Then in hundreds place 500. So we will write 5 in hundreds place. Then in thousands place 12,000. So now we will see the place value. So 1 is in ones place, then 2 is in tens place, then 5 is in hundreds place, then 2 is in thousands place, then 1 is in 10,000s place. So total how many digits are there? 5 digits. So here highest place value is 10,000. So how we will read the digit? 12,521. Now number 2, 32,660. So here ones place no digit is there, so we will write here 0. In tens place 60, so we will write 6. In hundreds place 600, so we will write 6 in hundreds place. Then 32,000 means both in thousands place and in 10,000s place 32, so we will write 32. So our answer is 32,660. Now number 3, 15,510. So here also in ones place no digit, so we will write here 0. In tens place we will write 1, means 10 is given, so we will write here 1. In hundreds place 500, so we will write 5. Then in thousands place and in 10,000s place we will write 15,000, means we will write 15. So 15,510. Now number 4, 80,800. So here ones place also no digit, so we will write 0, and tens place also no digit, so we will write 0. Then in hundreds place 800, so we will write 8. And in now in combined 10,000 and thousands place 80,000, so we will write 80. So our answer is 80,800. Now question number 2, write the number name for the numeral. So now numeral form is given, so we have to write it in a number name. So first how we will read the number? For that we will put the digits in a place value. So 5 is in the place of ones, 3 is in the place of tens, 5 is in the place of 100, 5 is in the place of 1000, and 3 is in the place of 10,000. So how we will read the number? Highest place value is 10,000. So we will combine, we will make 10,000 and 1000, means 35,535. So now we will write it in a number name. 35,000 535. Now next, so first we will put the digits in a place value. So 2 is in the place of ones, 4 is in the place of tens, 6 is in the place of 100, 3 is in the place of 1000, and 1 is in the place of 10,000. So how we will read the digit? 13,642. So we have to write a number name, THIRTEEN 13, THOUSAND 1000, SIX 6, HUNDRED 100, FORTY 42. 13,642. Now next number 3. So first we will put the digits in place value. So 0 is in the place of ones, 0 is in the place of tens, 8 is in the place of 100, 7 is in the place of 1000, and 5 is in the place of 10,000. So how we will read the digit? 57,800. So FIFTY 50, SEVEN 7, THOUSAND 1000, 800, EIGHT 8, HUNDRED 57,800. Now next number 4. So first we will put the digits in place value. So 4 is in the place of ones, 0 is in the place of tens, 4 is in the place of 100, 0 is in the place of 1000, 4 is in the place of 10,000. So how we will read the digit? 40,404. So FORTY 40,404. Okay children, this way we have to write in a number name. Now next question number 3. Make the greatest possible number and the smallest possible number using the following digits. So here some digits are given. So we have to, with help of these digits, we have to make a greatest number and smallest number. So first is digits are 51099. So in these digits, which one is the greatest first? Yes, that is 9, and second also 9. So in greatest number we will write 9. In second number also we will write 9. Now which numbers are left? 510. From this which one is the greatest? 5. So we will write here 5. Now from 1 and 0 which one is the greatest? 1. Then at last we will write 0. This means 99,510. It's the greatest number. Now with help of this digit only we have to write a smallest number. So from this digit which one is the smallest? Yes, all will say 0, but we will not write 0 first because 0 has no value. For if we will write 0 in first digit, so it has ever no value. So we will start from 1. Okay, we will start from 1. So first we will write 1, then after we will write 0. Okay, now which numbers are left? 599. From this which is the smallest? 5. Then which digits are left? 9, 9. So we will write here 9, 9. So smallest number is 10,599. Now number 2. So your digits are 3, 7, 2, 5, 8. So from this which one is the greatest? Yes, 8. So first we will write 8. Now second number which one is greatest? Yes, 7. Then 5. Then between 3 and 2 which one is the greatest? 3. Then which one is left? 2. So our greatest number is 87,532. Now with help of this only we have to make a smallest number. So from this digit which one is the smallest? 2. So first we will write here 2. Then after that 3. Now between 7, 5, 8 which one is the smallest? Yes, 5. Now between 7 and 8 which one is the smallest? 7. Then 8. So we will now read the number. Our smallest number is 23,578. Now number 3, 93104. So first we will make a greatest number. So from this digit which one is the greatest first? Yes, 9. So we will write here 9. Then after 3104 which one is the greatest? 4. Then after 310. So which one is the greatest? 3. Then 1, then 0. So now our greatest number is 94,310. Now we have to make a smallest number. So again here 0 is there, but we will not 0 in first digit because 0 has no value. So what we will write first? We will write a 1. Then in second digit we will write 0. Okay. Then we will now compare 934. Which one is the smallest? 3. Then between 9 and 4 which one is the smallest? 4. Then 9. So our smallest number is 10,349. Now number 4, 82903. So from this we have to make a greatest number. So first which one is the greatest? 9, then 8, then 3, 2, 0. So our greatest number is 98,320. Now we have to make a smallest number. Here also 0 is there. So first we will not write 0 because 0 has no value. So now we will move to the second digit, that is 2. 2 is the smallest number here after 0. So first we will write 2, then 0. Then between 8, 9 and 3 which one is the smallest? 3. Now between 8 and 9, which one is the smallest? 8, then 9. So smallest number is 20,389. Now number 5, 20387. So here we have to make a greatest number. So which one is the greatest from this? 8. So first we will write 8, then 7, 3, 2, 0. So 87,320. So again now we have to make a smallest number. So first is 0. We will not take 0. We will move to 2. So 2, 0, between 3, 8, 7. Which one is the smallest? 3. Now between 8 and 7, 7. Then 8. So smallest number is 20,378.